Yo guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to download the realistic gunshot sound effect for FiveM. So first of all, go to the description of this video, click the Discord link, it should take you to this Discord server. Click it, go to sound packs and click the first link, and then click download, and then click this one. I'm not going to do it because I've already got it downloaded here. So sadly, I only know the GTA Steam version, not the Epic Games GTA one. So if you've got Epic Games, search up on YouTube. So first of all, go search up Steam, which I've already got it open, so I'm not going to do that. Right click on GTA, manage, browse local files, Time 64, audio, SFX. And once you open SFX, open the sound pack folder, go to optionals, FiveM compatibility, and then drag and drop these two into the SFX folder and replace it. And once you've replaced it, you should be good to go. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and set share to a friend if needed. Safe.